Good afternoon, my name is Omnath Paudel. I am 41 years old. I am from Nepal. I am married. My education 10 pass. I have 2 years old experience. Warehouse in Dubai. Job of warehouse is to receiving good in maintenance management, store and organization, shipping and dispatching, order picking and packing, quality control, material handle, loading, unloading, teaching. I want to come Euro country to develop my career on money and support my family. Thank you. Thank you.